Good Sunday, everybody. Orion HCCA. I think this is the newer version with the really thick slugs on it. And they send it in for a shifted top plate, but after shipping, again, you guys learn how to ship. Maybe I'll do a more detailed instruction kit for you guys on how to pack. So, and I know a lot of it is that you just lack materials, but I can show you how to do it with the right materials and also with, whatever's laying around. But anyways, this is, it's shifted on the bottom as well. And so what I did was I went ahead and popped this off just because these prone to come off too, because the epoxy that they use is cheap, or they don't prep it correctly and things like that over in China. So, but we're going to go ahead and glue that down all in here and there and all that stuff. Not that this does anything, it's more for looks, but technically it is a heat sink, and it does help get rid of some of the heat. How much, it's debatable, and how much it's worth it. These are actually more effective than anything. So, but there's that. And then I got the top plate at the machine shop, where what I do sometimes with these HCCAs is I add two bolt patterns, which are popular, which is the 127 millimeter, which is 5-inch, which is for standard TI frames. The problem, though, that I've been noticing from China is that they're switching vendors, and the old bolt patterns are not as popular as they once were. And so I've seen a lot switch to 140, 145, and then even 160 and 180. So what we do is we add the 160 millimeter bolt pattern and the 127. So that way it works with our TI frames, which is the wide mouth version. Again, it's also ordered a lot by Phi, which also uses the wide mouth version. And so that's where the trend is going when there starts to be new sales, new imports from China. Here's the motor, or the magnet assembly, I should say. So, and these look like over 1 inch, but you don't know. So when I was taking it apart, as you can see, I put a little plus there to tell me which side was positive, which is that side. And then I ground both sides. Just so you know, if you're ever going to use the grinder, I use these. These are, I don't know, I don't want to call them carbide, but they're definitely very fucking effective. I use a 36 grit. This one happens to be a Husky tool. There's some other air tools that you can buy online that I bought. I actually did a review on one that I got off Facebook that worked really well. And but anyways, what happens is these get worn down, and then we save see how it's worn down. Then we save the little ones, and these are good for doing the ferrite material, because it's very, very hard, and what it ends up doing is dulling these, or it ends up just heating this plastic part up, and it becomes debonded, and it flies off. So, but I think that was it. I got some more videos I want to do today to show you little technical stuff. If you guys have technical questions, please let me know. Don't get mad if I send you off to go read the loudspeaker cookbook, because there's a lot of information in there that you're missing that you can easily obtain. Again, it's free. I'll put a link to the PDF in this video into the description. And you got to just enrich yourself. I don't know how to say that any better. You got to really develop yourself. So become a useful human. Don't just become a leech that wants everything for free and wants a shortcut on everything, because a lot of times there's not a shortcut, especially to this knowledge and really just experience. So love you guys. Talk to you later.